Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. You can make one common mistake that can cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Corolla, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you have one of those, if you guys have a problem where you have VSC light, you need to see which fuses control the VSC system. That's the vehicle stability control system. You have up to 6-7 different fuses. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them. Always start by checking these first. We'll explain where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping. That way do not waste money and time, and why it's important to always test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We'll show you how to do engine work, transmission, mechanical, body work, anything you can think of practically. On this channel specifically, we'll be making at least 150 to 200 videos about that Toyota Corolla, that generation guys. If you have one of those, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car does not want to start, you can, and you find out that the fuel pump is bad, you're not getting fuel, you can just search for fuel pump relay, fuel pump fuse really quickly, watch the video, spend a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road, because the writings on the fuse boxes are very vague and most people will not even know what they mean. So we'll be making videos about every possible fuse and relay in that Toyota Corolla. So let's start on it now. So the VSC light fuses guys, where you can expect to find them, we'll demonstrate on that generation Toyota Corolla here. Now you guys have multiple fuse boxes in that car. Today we're working two of them. The first one is on the driver's side, so we will open the door. And if you look under the dash on the left side, all the way upside down, on the bottom of the dash, you will find one white cover that will look like this one here. Okay, you have that tab that you need to pull up. You will remove that cover, and underneath you will find the main interior fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So here we need to check two fuses, then we need to go to the main fuse box, engine fuse box, and check three main fuses as well for the VSC system. The first fuse that we need to check is 1, 2, 3, fuse number 3, that's 7.5 amp fuse here. Then you need to check fuse number 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 20, 23. That 10 amp fuse right here will need to be checked too guys. After that, you need to go ahead and open the hood facing the engine on the right side under this cover. If you open it, you have the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Oh, by the way guys, if you need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Toyota Corolla or any car at a really good price, quick shipping, we'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste money and time. Here the fuses that we need to check, okay, for the VSC light will be first fuse number 17, that one right here on top, okay, this one. Then you need to check fuse number 22. You may or may not have this one on the bottom here, depending on which system you have. After that, you need to check the main fuse, which is fuse number 26, so that's 23, 4, 5, 6, that JK's fuse right here will need to be checked. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.